Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop or disable autoplay videos or audios in your Facebook app. If you want to stop automatic playing from your feed, then here are the fixes. Click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here choose settings and privacy. Again choose settings. Thereafter from the left side of menu, scroll down and from the left side you will find the option media. Under preferences, click on media. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option autoplay, automatically play videos and GIFs. Disable this feature. Turn off the toggle button to stop autoplay video and audio in your Facebook app. Only apply when you use the Facebook website. This method will not work on Facebook website. This method will only work on your Facebook app. That's all.